Hi everyone, today I have the Prequel Multi-Acid Milk Peel. This is something that I've been recently incorporating into my skincare routine and really enjoying. I had tried milky toners and other milky types of products in the past and had really enjoyed those as well because of the consistency of the formula. I had never tried one that was specifically a peel or something that was supposed to be, primarily for exfoliating in that milky formula, and I've really been enjoying it so far. So this is specifically for kind of smoothing and refining the overall feel texture of your skin. It's like a gentle exfoliator, and I like this a lot because it's just so easy to use. I would typically use this kind of once I get out of the shower before I do some of my serums and other skincare. So you will want to shake this first, and it does recommend either just using your hands or fingers to put this on, or you can use a cotton pad as well. I primarily use this on my face, but if I have other parts of my body that I would like to gently exfoliate, you can definitely do that as well, and it works great too. So you'll want to shake it up first, and I'll just put some on the back of my hands just so you all can see the texture. But as you can see, it's pretty light and it absorbs super quickly into the skin. Does not feel sticky at all. Like, I don't feel like it leaves any sort of odd residue or any heavy film after you absorb it and completely rub it into the skin. You don't have to wash this off either, so once you put it on, it stays on. And I was not expecting to notice my skin just feeling softer very quickly. I mean, within just a couple minutes after using this. So I was hooked from that point on, but my skin just felt super refreshed, super soft, and especially in these winter months where my skin just overall feels a lot more dry. I notice a lot more texture and some irritation. This has been a game changer for me to incorporate into my skincare routine.